Good afternoon to all employers. My name is Girlie Puentes Paelden. I am 43 years old from Bangas South, Cotabato, Philippines. My highest educational attainment is Bachelor in Arts in Education, major in History. I have working experience abroad, in Middle East, like Kuwait. I started working since January 2010 up to May 2012 as a nanny and domestic helper. As a nanny, I also took care baby, newborn until she grown. I also sending kids in school, let them playing, let them to help study their lessons. And also I teach them how to speak English, and I cook also, help to madam to prepare meals, cleaning the houses, washing clothes, and ironing. Then I worked in Oman for 6 years in one employer. I also worked there as a nanny since September 2013 up to September 2019. As a domestic helper, I do cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and cleaning the houses. I also cook meals like Arabic foods, food for the kids and the baby, and also teach them English and let them to play in the playgrounds. Then, I work again in Oman for different family since May, April 2021 up to May 2023 for 2 years as a cook and domestic helper. I also teach them how to speak English and let them in school, and also let them to play and do household chores like ironing, washing clothes, and also let them to be good, to be a good children, and help madam also when they are not around. Then last is I worked for 2 years in United Arab Emirates since July 2023 until August 2025 as a cook and domestic helper. As a cook, I cook Arabic foods. I'm making pizzas, grilled meat, fish, and chicken. And also, I make pastry, green salads, soups, and different kind of dishes in Arabic foods. And also teach kids how to speak English and good manners, and send them in school. My special skills is cooking and cleaning houses and reading English books. And I like kids also. And I hope you will select me as your servant. I am trustworthy, kind, and God-fearing. Now, I'm willing to learn more what the tradition, especially in cooking. I want to learn Romanian cuisine as well, like I experienced in the Arab country. Ma'am and sir, I am willing to work in your country, and I pray that you will select me as your servant. And thank you very much, and God bless.